Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable press volume up to answer calls in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity and then click on answering and ending calls. Now here you will see a press volume up to answer calls button. So if you want to enable press volume up to answer calls, then turn on this button. And if you want to disable press volume up to answer calls, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable press volume up to answer calls in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.